guys, Johnny Sunshine here. It's 3:45 or so on my day off. It's Monday. I just got done having a great lunch at Detweiler's. I had them. I'm in good with these people, man. So I had them make me a special sandwich using the steak that comes with the farm bowl. And I got some guacamole on it, some cooked onions and peppers, some salsa or pico de gallo, and some green salsa. And man, that shit was delicious. Then I had a cup of coffee, and I serenaded the lady who was giving out cheesecake. First thing I walked up to her, I said, "Hey, sweetie, have I told you lately that I love you?" And she said, "Go ahead and take all the cheesecake you want." And I did. And I went around, I made a lap around, I came back and I said, "You are so beautiful to me." She said, "Go ahead and get some more cheesecake." And I said, "Well, I feel bad, but you know, I'll take it." And then I bought a half a fucking cheesecake and ate half of that. Man, I'm really not feeling good right now. But I'm gonna go do a little service call. Lady called me. My day tomorrow is gonna get pretty stacked up, and she's just got a Moen. I've eaten these words before, but she's got a Moen 1225 tub and shower valve that's dripping. I'm going to run over there and put a new cartridge in for her in my civvies. Johnny's in his civilian clothes today. I actually do have a few pairs of these things. Just my shorts, man, and my boatyard getaways in a nice Moffat shirt that is just comfortable, man. It's become one of my favorite shirts. But let me head over here and see if we can't figure something out for this lady. Alright guys, I'm here at this job. I'm just talking to the video.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Don't let it happen again, man. That was a joke. Don't make me too serious. Gotta be careful with these people I just meet, you know. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a Mikey Pipes routine. One-handed. With my phone. Don't have to pull the faceplate off. I do need to go shut the water off and get a new cartridge. Alright guys, let me make sure the water's off. Yes, sir. So I've got a different cartridge puller here. Should be okay. Sorry about the video. I seem to say that a lot. So this is another Moen style cartridge puller. It is actually a Moen. It's not a Moen style. I may have to go get my other cartridge puller, guys. Hang on. Wow, that's not good.
Why do you have to go home?
Okay, so what I'm looking for, guys, is this because I had a hard time, but you can see that I've got this whole gasket out, and the other gasket is right there, come in intact. So I know there's nothing inside of there. So I'm just gonna clean this out with a wire brush. I'm gonna stick a rag in here and spin it around a few times.
But the nice part about owning your own place is that you can come down whenever you want.
That's right.
You know, if I want to come down
For a weekend or a week, yeah.
the kids can come down anytime they want.
Yeah.
So that's what Gary and I liked about it.
Yep. Plus this, you're lucky you have a place here because the prices now are just out of control.
Well, we've been here we bought this 10 years ago.
Wow.
And the lady owed more on it than it was worth.
So you got it for a foreclosure?
Yeah. It was a short
Bank
sale.
owned, short sale, yeah. Oh, I bought some property like that. Ma'am, do you want to, can I have you hold my camera? I'll give you a discount.
Sure.
Here, stand behind me.
Stand behind you.
Yeah, and just hold this face. You can see where the camera's pointing. I want you to just focus on that valve.
Because we rented for 10 years. I said, this is ridiculous.
Mm-hmm. Well, when I moved here 37 years ago, I moved right across the street, basically, over on Ashton Road.
Oh, yeah.
Just one lot in from Gant.
Yeah.
Yeah, my mom bought 5 acres over there.
Get out.
Yeah, with 4 houses on it. And we stayed there for a long time, but then she sold it to a developer.
She must have made a pretty penny.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, there used to be a golf course behind us.
Oh, yeah, I used to play this golf course all the time.
It was gone by the time we got here.
Really?
Yep. The clubhouse was empty. There was all these golf carts in the back that the man just let rot.
Mm-hmm.
And they wanted to make another golf club, but they couldn't get anybody to build another golf course back there.
Yeah. Get this clip in and I can turn the water back on. Okey doker. All right, ma'am. Thank you for your help.
Okay.
I'll make sure and leave you a great tip. At least 20%. It is nice to get out of the winters, though, huh?
Oh, Gary and I were so full of arthritis we couldn't stand it anymore.
Yeah.
You know?
Come down here in the winter and do an anti-inflammation diet. It's really good for you.
Yeah.
I started juicing again last night, and it's amazing. I had some pain in my thumb.
Yeah?
Immediately, it went away.
What'd you use?
Dark cherries. That's really good for inflammation.
Dark cherry.
Yeah, dark cherry juice, or I make my own smoothies.
Oh, I see.
So it's, I started doing that again. Strawberries are really good, high in antioxidants and just good stuff. Blueberries.
Do you do protein?
Yeah, protein and collagen. Collagen helps with my hair. Can't you tell? Alright guys, so this guy's done. Hopefully it's not leaking. It's hot, so it's That's on the hot side. So on a 1225, you can, that should be hot now. It is. That should be cold, which it is. Put this back in. Put this guy on here. Put this guy on like so. Oh. Hot, cold, off. That's it. Should stop. Get my stuff cleaned up and make sure it's not leaking. Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo. Alright. Easy one. I'm glad I did it tonight and not wait till tomorrow, because you just never know what's gonna happen, guys. She's not dripping anymore, guys. She had a pretty good drip. Alright, that's it, man. I need to tighten that screw up with 2 hands, but I'm all done here. Alright, guys, we're definitely good here. Easy call. She needs a new ball valve out in the front. The main shutoff, when you turn it off, there's no stop. You could go right through, and if you don't know what you're doing, it'll still be on. So when she comes down again, we can take care of that, but for now she's good. There's no water dripping. It's all good. All right, ma'am.
Thank you.
Is this your husband?
Yeah, that's with the youngest grandchild. Our younger grandchild was going to the senior ball. But there's his picture up there. We were at Madison's.
Oh, yeah. Good-looking guy.
Pardon me?
I said he was a good-looking guy, and your grandkids are good-looking, too.
That's our oldest son.
Oh, wow.
That's him and my older boy.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 boys.
Nice. Guess how many my mom had?
How many?
11. 5 boys and 6 girls.
Oh, slit my throat.
I'm
Slit my throat. Oh,
I never heard that one, but I'm number 10.
Oh, my.
And I was just a perfect kid.
Oh, I'm sure.
With no hassle whatsoever.
Oh, I'm just sure of that.
All right. If you can, if your neighbors are looking or you're close with anybody, give them my card.
Yeah,
I appreciate it. And when you come down, call me on this ball valve, and I'll waive the trip charge, okay?
Oh, thank you.
I'll take care of you.
Thank you for coming so quickly.
Oh, it's no sweat. Have a great time up north.
Oh,
Enjoy
I will.
your family.
See
and
the kids again, yeah.
We'll see you when you come down.
Bye-bye.
Yep. Scooby-Dooby-Dee, Scooby-Dooby-Dee. Johnny's junk pile. Hey guys, I'm all done here. Heading out. On my way in, I saw 3 plumbing trucks at another job. Pretty big company here in Sarasota. And one of the things that I always do is, and it's just good business, and these guys are compadres, you know. Whenever I see another plumbing truck out in a community I'm working in, before I leave, I pull up, and if they're around, I'll ask them if they have everything they need, man, or are they searching for something that maybe I could help them with. And they appreciate it, man. It's a good habit to have, because someday, you know, you might need somebody's help. That's all I'm saying. But here's a pile of trash, man, so Johnny can't pass it by. Garbage picking, man. Oh, Christ, look, I think somebody died in that fucking bed. Somebody's died in that one. Oh, yeah, they've been here for a while. The fucking crushed velvet, velour, red. Oh, yeah. Couple of new frames. Oh, fucking half a broom. Johnny is a fucking junk picker. Look at this, 3-pound weights. I'll take them. You kidding me? Johnny scored. I got like 6 3-pound weights in this box, or a whole bunch of them. No sense in sending them to the dump, guys. Johnny Sunshine, garbage picking. Good advertisement for my business, you know. Seeing me out here going through people's fucking trash. Extension cord, some weights. Oh. Yeah, man, these are good weights. 5-pounders, man. That's about where I'm at, man. Fucking sad, but it is what it is. Johnny will take them. Little fucking extension cord. Always need one of them. And a box of garbage. So these guys, man, I asked them, I said, hey man, you need anything? No, we're ready to wrap it up, man. But thanks for asking. Couple of country boys, you know. They're like, you want something to drink? We got some root beer, some cream soda, and some water. I said, I'll take a water, man. It's like, sure you don't want a root beer? I said, no, I'm pretty sure, man. I'll take fucking water. He said, you sure you don't want a cream soda? I was like, give me the fucking water. And he did. So, anyways, another successful day in Johnny Land. It's beautiful, man. Thing of fucking beauty. I'm enjoying life, man. You know? Scooby-Dooby-Dee. I got a half of a cheesecake, which, let me do the math. Half of a half is a half. Half of a whole is a half, and then a half of that is a Yeah, I've got 3/4 of a fucking cheesecake sitting in my truck right now. Yeah. Johnny's really good at math. That was a joke. Trees are green and the grass ain't brown. In a few months, Johnny will be crawling on the ground because it's hot as fucking Florida. It's hot as fucking Florida. Yeah. Have a great day, guys. Clark Road, man. I'm getting a lot of ugly looks, man, from women in Mercedes-Benz cars and SUVs. I guess they're Trumpers, you know? They like fucking Mushroom Man. Yeah. Old Donnie, I'm gonna send his. If he goes to the can, I'm gonna mail him some soap on a motherfucking rope, Jack. Cause them boys in Rikers Island, they're like, I don't care if that ass is 80 years old. Bring it over here, boy. Ah!